Hey Jordan, this is Manther, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, in case you're wondering why would I want to be doing any of this? What's in it for me? Well, the answer is, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their companies. Usually the only hesitation to hiring someone is you're not sure if they're an expert or not. And what if I told you you could actually choose which customers ended up calling your business looking for work every day? Instead of people calling you up looking for your everyday residential plumbing job, instead they'd call you up looking for water heater installations or tankless water heater installations, which are more high value, high ticket jobs. You're definitely going to want to get more of those jobs, right? Before I delve any further, I just want to mention that by giving people this free easy attack plan, I've noticed more often than not that a lot of these local business owners still raise their hands at the end and say, I like you, Manther, please do the same for me. So if by end of the video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, you can shoot me a message back, or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and do it on your own, that works for me too. So now let's get right to it. In terms of your website, we can see over here for your back page, water heater back page, we can see that you're lacking written content. You're going to want to get at least 500 to 700 words of written content to rank well in Google's eyes, specifically for a back page like this or your service page. If we take a look at your top competitor, Brothers Plumbing, for their Denver water heaters page, we can see that they don't have 500 words either. It seems like they have a couple of hundred, maybe 200, 300 words maximum. So that's pretty easy to beat, right? All you got to do is get 500 words of content and make sure you're beating your top competitor in terms of words. Now, if we take a look at some of the keywords your back page is ranking for, we can see that none of these keywords are bringing you in any traffic or clicks whatsoever. Now, if we take a look specifically at water heater installation Denver, this keyword, we can see that it's not bringing you any traffic whatsoever, and it has 100 searches every single month. There's a reason for that. It's because you're in position number 76. That's why it's not bringing you any clicks whatsoever or any traffic. Now, if we take a look at your top competitor, these are some of the keywords they're ranking for. Water heater repair Denver, hot water heater repair Denver, water heater installation Denver is bringing them in 18 clicks every single month. Now, for a high ticket job such as water heater installations, even 10 clicks a month is good. 20 clicks a month is good. Just a few conversions to customers means much more money for you. Now, if we take a look at, for example, water heater installation Denver, we can see that this particular keyword, when inputted into Google search results, we can see that it brings up 2 sections, your Google Map Pack and your organic listings. As expected, Brothers Plumbing right at the top of the organic listings. Now, the other very important section over here is the Google Map Pack. Now, in case you're wondering, how do I go about ranking in the Google Map Pack? Well, first off, I want to start off by saying that the Google Map Pack lists a company's name, address, and phone number. And now, if you want to get ranked up in the Google Map Pack, or you want to beat your top competitors, you're going to want to get citations. These citations basically list your company's name, address, and phone number exactly as it appears on your Google business page. So, if we take a look at your top competitor, now these citations are basically inputted into directories such as Yelp, Yegstar, Yellow Pages, you name it. If we take a look at your specific page, your specific Google business page, if you want to see how many citations you have about 23 citations. Now, this is a paid tool we use. It's called WhiteSpark CA. It costs about $30 a month based on the plan you use. Now, if we take a look at your top competitors, we can see that there's a lot of potential citations that they have that you do not. And what you want to do is you're going to want to get these citations you're missing out on that your top competitors have. You can see that they tell you over here, you got 31 opportunities. So that's a lot of potential citations you can get. I would say, just to be on the safe side, get about 200 to 300 citations and you'll be beating them by a landslide. Now, the third and one of the most important aspects we want to talk about is also link juice. So as we saw earlier when we searched for water heater installation Denver, you don't show up in any of the top 3 positions. And this is where you want to be, right? And to get there, you're going to want to beat your top competitor in every single aspect when it comes to ranking in Google's eyes. So, link juice basically includes a link from one website to another. It's when website A points to website B. Now, this basically passes on power and strength, and it's sort of like a popularity contest. The more of these relevant links, I should say, pointing towards your website, the better. Google basically sees you as more trustworthy. It gives you ranking. It pushes you up in the rankings. That's what you want to do, right? And now if we take a look, this is a paid tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. You can use a similar tool such as SEMrush, SEO Quick, get similar data. Now if we take a look at your website over here, we can see you have one referring domain, right? Now, if we take a look at your top competitor, we can see they have 0 referring domains. So you're probably wondering, how is it that they're beating me? They only have 0 referring domains and I have 1. Well, this is Brothers Plumbing. Remember, Brothers Plumbing has built trust over several years, and they have a DR, or domain rating, which is basically a measure of their strength and trust, of 32. When we take a look at yours, we can see you're only at 19. So there's a reason why they're beating you. It's not just because they have referring domains. They don't actually have any referring domains, right? You have more referring domains than them, so you should be beating them. It's the fact that they've built up trust over the years. They've been around for a while, and they have several pages. This is their overall domain rating. So it has a big impact on how much they're ranking up in Google's eyes. So what you want to do is you're going to want to get more referring domains. Although you already have one more than them, I would say get several high quality, high strength domains, which will help push you up in Google's rankings. All in all, we spoke about content. We said you needed at least 500 words on your back page. You're going to want to get citations, specifically the ones you're missing out on. I would say get 200, 300 citations. You're going to want to get backlinks. I would say get more backlinks. Maybe beat your top competitor by quite a lot to give them no chance of catching up. If you apply what I've shown in this video, you'll be #1 across Google in no time. So what you can do is you can take what I've shown you. You can do it on your own. That works for me. But if you want the most effective route, give me a call, shoot me a message back, and I can help you out. Once again, my name is Munther. I look forward to hearing from you, and good luck.